everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you're new here, and typically I do home decor and DIYs on a budget, but I also like to incorporate our farmhouse fixer-upper that we recently purchased within the last year, and I also like to incorporate our quote-unquote new farm life. So if you like those types of videos, make sure to stick around by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications so you never miss out on a new video. Now, the chickens that we got back in early spring of this year are doing fantastic in their coop that we built them with plans from Etsy. If you missed that video, I'll link it down below in the description box. We have 11 hens and 1 rooster. His name is Roy, and he definitely rules the roost, but we love him and we love having the hens. They are laying about 8 to 11 eggs a day, which is a lot right now, and we are giving away eggs to family and friends and cooking a lot with them and baking a lot with them, so it's been fun. We also added a cute little bunny to the mix, and we made him a little run to run around in, so we're just starting up the farm life. So we wanted to add a few more animals to the family, so we decided to get some ducks. Now I need some housing for my ducks, so I'm going to build them a coop today. A company called Aivituvin sent me a coop to build, and they have a ton of different housing for small animals, chickens, bunnies, rabbits, ducks, birds, you name it, they got it. So check out their website. It's linked down below in my description box. The coop that they sent me was the Air 27, so let's get to building. The coop was sent to me in 2 separate boxes, so it's a pretty large coop with a run attached. So I got started right away by just unpacking each box. One of the boxes had the manual or directions to put everything together, and then it also had a baggie with all of the screws and nuts and bolts and things like that. And all of those were labeled so that way you knew which ones to use for which part of the coop you were putting together at the time. I began putting the coop together per the instructions. It was really easy to do. I was able to put it together all by myself without any help, and I just used a drill to make the process go a little bit quicker. This coop also came with 2 roosting bars that you can place inside, but you can also take them out if you're using this for a different animal, which is what I'm going to do because ducks do not need to roost. And it also comes out with an easy to pull out tray inside the coop for easy cleanup. Like I mentioned before, this coop comes with an attached run, so all you have to do is attach it to the backside of the coop with some screws. You can actually also purchase another one of these coops or some runs separately, and you can attach them all together to make this one giant coop or one giant run. Also on the side here to access the door at the top, it has a handle that you just slide back and forth, which is really nice. Another great thing about this coop is that it is portable. It comes with 2 wheels or casters that you just attach to the back of the coop. And then on the opposite side, it comes with a wooden handle that you attach to the run, and it makes it easy to move about your yard and put it wherever you need it to go. It also comes with 2 nesting boxes and a lid for that nesting box, which makes it easy to lift up and collect your eggs when you need to. And it also has a little latch on the lid so nothing can get in. There is a clear roof that goes on top of the run, and it is also on hinges on one side, so that way you can easily open it and access the top of the run if you need to. This coop was easy to assemble. It took me less than 2 hours to put it all together, which was a lot less time than us building one that we did. But it turned out great. I just attached the latches to the doors of the coop and the run. There is an access point to the coop, and then there are 2 other access points to the run, one right below the coop and then also one on the side of the run. And then you also have ventilation at the top there. And now that it's all finished, I'm just gonna go ahead and wheel it into its spot so we can put the ducks inside of it.
That one's squeaky.
No. All right, guys, I think the ducks really love their new housing. It's gonna work out perfect for them. If you're interested in housing for your small animal or backyard animals, check out the link down below in the description box. And I am super hot because it's really hot outside today, and I'm gonna put this little guy back with his brothers or sisters, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, bye-bye. There you go.